Here's a cunning use of a Venn diagram. Let's say we've got a packet of playing cards. If I were to pick out two cards at random from this pack, what is the probability of both of these cards being red and a picture card? Okay, so a picture card, we're going to define a picture card as a jack or a queen or a king. And the red meaning, well, the card has to be red. So I'm going to pick out two cards, and this card has to be a red and a picture card. And this card also has to be a red and a picture card. So what is the probability of me picking out two cards, and both of these cards have to be a red and a picture, red and a picture? Okay, so if you look at this here, well, this card here, even though it's a picture card, it's not a red card. So it's, well, we want red and picture. So basically, both of these, I'm going to pick out two cards, and they both have to come from this segment here. Because, well, if you look at it, red cards would be all these here. Okay? Picture cards would be all these here. So I'm going to pick out two cards. What is the probability of them both being red and picture? Okay, so here you can see whenever you have an overlap, then jump to the Venn diagram. So here, this is so once you've got this, jump to your Venn diagram. So to answer the question, draw your Venn diagram first. So this could represent red, okay, and then this will represent picture card. Okay, well, red. There are I know that there are 26 red cards, but 6 are both red and picture, so that leaves 20 over here. Well, if you look at the picture cards, you've got 6 red and 6 non-red. Well, here you're going to have 6 non-red. The 6 reds are in here. 6 non-reds are in here. Okay, so this will be your Venn diagram. Oh, and the whole population here would be all the others here, which would be 20. Okay, would be all these here. Okay, so 20 goes out here. Okay, so if you add up all the population, it would be 52. So now we will now jump. So here we've got to combine the tree diagram with the Venn diagram in order to answer that question. So here on your first pick, imagine you picking a card out. What is the probability of you picking out from this population here? Okay, so we are going to pick out one card. What is the probability of this card being a red and red and pick? So what is the probability of here? Well, red and a picture card would be cards from this population here. So it would be 6 over 52. Well, here this will be others. Okay, let's just use others. So basically, others would be all these here. Okay, so hang on. This one here 20, 26. So plus another 20 here. So this will be 46 over 52. Okay, so now we've picked out our first card. Let's say we've picked out this one, so we've removed this. Don't forget, now there are only 5 left from this population here. There are only 5 left. So we want another red and a picture card here. So this would be 5 over 51. Okay, because we've just picked out one card already. So this will be 5. Well, look at this here. We've just picked out one, so the population changes to 5. Okay, so this would be 5 over 1, and then you could continue your tree diagram. But the thing is, we are only interested in this branch here. So because we are picking out 2 cards, and we want this has to be from this population. And then this card has to be from this population. So basically, the only good outcome would be this branch here. Okay? Or if you pick this one here, and then this one here, this would be a bad outcome. Because this would mean, well, well, the only good outcome would be this branch here. So we need this and this. So we've got to times. Okay, so we have to get 6 over 52 times 5 over 51. So this would be 30 over, and jump to your calculator. Hang on, calculator. So we want 52 times 51 equals 26551, I think. 52, sorry. 2. So now it's hard to picture this inside your head. So change it to a decimal. So get 30 30 divided by 2652. So that would be roughly 1%. So it's 0.01. So that's roughly 1% of doing that. So if you were to pick out two cards, if you were to pick out two cards at random, the probability of you getting both cards being red, and a pick. So this card is red and pick, and this card is also red and pick. Well, the probability of that happening is 0.01, or you can say it's 1%, roughly 1% chance of that happening. Okay.